panels. This is just loosely attached. You saw it live there. That's just to hang them. I vice gripped them in a couple spots, and now it'll just be all of tomorrow, lining everything up, get the gaps right. I gotta get the trunk lid on. I gotta blast the hinges for that first. Rear valance, quarter extensions, I gotta line up all that before I weld anything. So now I'll just do a quick walk around and show you how everything lines up just as it is. And then we'll see in tomorrow's video how everything lines up after taking a day of adjusting all these panels. And that's just clamping together. Now fine tuning it is what really takes the time. Getting the gaps right and moving some panels to manipulate them and bending some things a little bit different. You have to make some relief cuts that you'll have to weld in later. But let's check out the gaps to see how close things are. And you can see I was using a ratchet strap to try and pull some of that back end together because the window panel needed to come together a little bit. But you can just see the curvature. This rear window panel, the new ones, they're not the greatest for this curve here. It's supposed to be almost like a 90 degree. That's more of, it's not 90 degree, I can tell you that. But you can see the gap that it leaves. So I'll eventually have to bend that to make that fit right. But overall, the line down it is how it's supposed to be. Lines up in the groove pretty good. I have to bend that flap to overlap the bottom one. Quarter extensions will end up lining up pretty good. I just have vice grip at the top. Pops onto the trunk corner right. Both sides. This one's the same as the other side. Lines up in the groove. Just needs all drawn tight then, once I fix that corner. Loosely onto the wheelhouses, I just vice gripped it in one spot, but it's pretty darn close the whole way around, which is real nice. You can see I can push it in and it grabs right onto it. So that's right where it needs to be. The line on the quarter. And the door gap, which actually isn't too bad as a starting point. The height of it is right where it needs to be. Gap on this side, a little bit larger. I may have to bring that door back a little bit, but that's just the starting point. So now I'll take all of tomorrow, get everything right where it needs to be, and we'll see in that video how everything looks once everything's lined up. I got to get the trunk lid on to make those gaps right, and then quarter extensions and a rear valance. That's going to do it for today's video. I just wanted to quick show hanging the panels and what's all involved in that, and a lot of prepping, but hanging them is real quick. You've seen it in that quick time lapse. That was how long it actually took to just hang these in this place where they're at. Now just fine tuning it tomorrow, and hopefully I'll have another video at the end of tomorrow with all these gaps done, trunk lid on, everything bolted on the back end to line everything up, and then I'll tell you if there was anything bad on that, but should be pretty straightforward. Done a ton of these, so look forward for that in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching all the videos in this series. having fun doing these videos, so there'll be plenty more to come. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video.